They're here! My accessories for my Black Shark 2 Pro, they just arrived. And this is the box from my Black Shark 2 Pro. And if any of you were wondering, the accessories for Black Shark 2 are compatible with Black Shark 2 Pro. So don't be hesitant on buying them. They're here! So my first accessory that I'll be unboxing is the Black Shark cooling case. It's a very heavy case. It has a fan in it. So as you can see, that's a hard case. Okay, that is a nice case. So in the box is the manual. It's in Chinese, and this is the Black Shark cooling case in all its glory. Make sure to get the app with it so that you can get this up and running. So you set aside the box, put the accessory here. Next is the right gamepad. So I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, another manual. Comes in Chinese. Gotta slide that off. Whoa, okay. Put that right there. So you got your usual Y, X, A, and B buttons here. Very clicky. Yeah. This here's the sensor. The shoulder buttons. Very clicky. Okay, there's a very nice coloring to it. Put that there. And we have the left controller. Game controller. In the manual, and we're gonna slide that. Oh, this one has the joystick. So you got your usual up, down, left, right buttons, and then you got your analog stick here. Very, very nice. The ergonomics, and it's console grade as well. Buttons are very clicky. Yeah, nice. So when you connect this to your phone, they will automatically connect to your Bluetooth once you turn them on. So don't be afraid. Buy them, try them. They work well with most games. Put that there. And when you buy this, they also give you this. So that's the handle for that left gamepad controller. Oh, okay. So it's just in plastic. It's just hard plastic. See, this works with, if you don't have the dual case or the Black Shark cooling case, this will be where you will attach your left controller to. Nice. And finally, the Black Shark Type-C earphones. I'm gonna... okay. Look at that beaut. So we're gonna pull those. Okay. Yeah, it has that Black Shark logo on them. Very nice Black Shark logo again. It's quite long. And the Type-C. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a Type-C. Black Shark 2 does not support or does not have audio jacks. So this is what it will look like if we put on the accessories. I'm gonna get my phone. Oh yeah, my Black Shark 2 Pro is the Shadow Black Edition. Yeah. Looks nice, doesn't it? Okay. So I'm gonna put it here. Pull that. There. Then you're gonna slide the controllers. Woof. There. As you can see, in all its glory. Then you gotta turn on your phone. And we're gonna go to Shark Space. Isn't that a beaut? So that's it. That's it for my video. That's my unboxing on the Black Shark 2 accessories. Who knows? You can buy them if you want to. You can try. It's a fun experience. And if you're here in the Philippines, I suggest you go to XUNDD Philippines. I'll post that address in my links at the bottom later after I shoot this video, okay? Okay, peace.